Hello everyone. Today I discuss about class 12 English mystery of the missing cap. तो ପିଲାମାନେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆମେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 2ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିସାରିଥିଲେ। ତ ଆଜିର ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଆମେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 3ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା। ଯଦି ତୁମକୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଥିବା ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ କମେଣ୍ଟ ଏବଂ ତୁମ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହ ସେୟାର କର ଏବଂ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ନୂଆ ଆସିଛ ହେଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟିକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କର। ତ ବିନା ଡରି କରି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କର୍ମା ଆଜିର ସେସନ୍। ତ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ହେଉଛି How did the minister's cap disappear? The minister Babu Birkisor took food and went to bed. The front door was closed. Some people were on guard there. The rear side's window was open. Through this window, Sri Maharana's domesticated monkey Zandu came took the cap of the minister kept on the table and went away into the groups. In this way, the minister's cap disappeared from the room. Then second question. How did the minister official react to the disappearance of the cap? How did the minister's officials react to the disappearance of the cap? The minister, after eating food, went to bed. He kept his cap on the table. Jhandu, the pet monkey Sri Maharana, came hastily and took the cap. His officials too searched for it. As they did not find them, they said that it was a deep-rooted conspiracy. The public relations officer said, "The honorable minister does not mind the loss of the cap so much as the way it disappeared." Then next question. How did Sri Maharana feel about the loss of the cap? How did Sri Maharana feel about the loss of the cap? Very simple. The minister's cap was missing when he was asleep. A thorough search was made, but it was not found. Sri Maharana was found shaking. He was sweating like an ice cream stick so profusely that at that rate he might completely melt away in a few hours. Next question. How did he feel when he came to know the cause of the missing cap? The minister's cap was lost. Sri Maharana looked cross. He started trembling. In the meantime, the writer told him that Zandu had taken the cap. He stood dumb for a moment, eyes closed. Then he smiled a bit, patted the writer, and told him not to tell any about it. He promised to give him a reward. He promised to give him a reward. The next question. 5 number question play. ଯଦି ଯଦି ପିଲାମାନେ କାହାକୁ ବି ଯଦି ଏ ପିଡ଼ିଏଫ୍ଟି ଦରକାର ତ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କର କି ନାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ଏ ପିଡ଼ିଏଫ୍ଟି ଦରକାର। ତ ତୁମେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା ମାତ୍ରେ ମୁଁ 15-20 ମିନିଟ୍ ଭିତରେ ତୁମକୁ ଏଇ ପିଡ଼ିଏଫ୍ଟି ଡେସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ୍ ୟା କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଲିଙ୍କଟା ତାର ପିନ୍ କରିଦେବି। ଲିଙ୍କ ଆଭେଲେବୁଲ୍ ଆମର ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ରେ ଅଛି। ଆମର ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ରେ ସବୁ ଅପଲୋଡ଼ ହେଉଛି। ତ ଯଦି ତୁମକୁ ପିଡ଼ିଏଫ୍ଟି ଦରକାର ପର୍ସନାଲି କିମ୍ବା ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ରୁ ବି ତୁମେ ଯାଇକି ଡାଉନଲୋଡ଼ କରିପାରିବ। ଯଦି ତୁମେ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ଼ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଲିଙ୍କରୁ ତ କମେଣ୍ଟ ସେକ୍ସନରେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କର। ତ ମୁଁ ଲିଙ୍କଟା ତୁମକୁ ବତେଇଦେବି। ତୁମେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଗୁଗୁଲ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ୍କୁ ଯାଇକି ଡାଉନଲୋଡ଼ କରିପାରିବ। ତ ଦେଖିବା 5 ନମ୍ବର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍. What was the effect of the disappearance of the cap on the ceremony? What was the effect of the disappearance of the cap on the ceremony? Minister's Babu Birkisor's cap was stolen. A thorough search was made, but it was not found. All looked cross. Sri Maharana revenged the incident had thrown a wet blanket on the associations from the sepulchral silence of the minister's room. Intermittent cooking came unexpectedly dampened the spirits of the people in the courtyard and on the window. The next question, Unit 3, the last question. How did the narrators Pulse react to the situation? How did the narrator Pulse react to the situation? The answer: the narrator's pulse were full and exactly. One said that the thief would be hanged. The big banyan tree near the river has been kept ready. Another said all the villagers will be thrown to jail. Some of them believe that the cap might have ancestral power. ପିଲାମାନେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 3 କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ସରିଗଲା। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 4 କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ ଆସିବା। ୟୁନିଟ୍ 4 ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 5 ଅଛି। ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 4 ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 5ର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ତୁମର ପଳେଇ ଆସିବା। କାଲି ସହିତ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବା ୟୁନିଟ୍ 4 ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁନିଟ୍ 5ର। ତ ପିଲାମାନେ ଯେନ୍ମାନେ ବି ଏତ୍କି ଦୂର ପେସେନ୍ସ ରଖିକିନା ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟାକେ ଦେଖଲ, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍। ଲାଷ୍ଟ ତକର ଭିଡ଼ିଓକେ ୱାଚ୍ କରବାର୍ ଲାଗି ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍। ତ ଯାହାହେଲେ ତୁମେ ଗୋଟେ ପଢ଼ବାର୍ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ସେଟ୍ କରିସାରିଛନ। I will guarantee you that you score 100 out of 100 in English subject. Thank you.